Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to put your email outreach completely on autopilot. Chances are you'll mostly need HubSpot sequences to automate your follow-up emails, which allows you to create different templates and perfectly control when each message gets sent out. First, go ahead and sign into your HubSpot account. Look at the top navigation bar, click on Automation, and then choose Sequences from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the main dashboard, press the Create Sequence button. Over on the left side of your screen, you can choose to start completely from scratch or pick one of HubSpot's ready-made templates to save some time. Once you make your choice, hit the Create Sequence button in the upper right corner to open up the sequence editor. Go ahead and click New Sequence to give your automation a clear internal name so your team can easily find it later. Next, add your first step and choose Automated Email. This drops you right into HubSpot's main menu for automated campaigns. From there, you can fully customize different parts of your emails, add personalization tokens so every message feels human, and dial in the exact delay between each send. And that's all it takes to get your automated outreach up and running. If this quick tutorial helped you streamline your workflow today, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot automation tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of sequence you are going to build first. Thanks for watching.